I am so delighted to be here this morning in St Brendan's in Loughrea. It's been a wonderful visit. I've got to meet with all of the students and to see the wonderful work that they're doing. And I've also had the opportunity to meet with the entire school community, the staff, the board of management, parents, and everybody working so collaboratively and so positively here in school. And I want to acknowledge just the tremendous amount of work that all school communities and all here in St Brendan's have done, particularly in these last very challenging months. And it's a credit really just to see the tremendous generosity of heart and spirit on the ground. And this visit today is part of my overall visits to a huge number of schools the length and breadth of the country, and an opportunity to meet with school communities, to thank them and indeed wish them well for the term ahead. Thank you.